Hi, I'm Jimmy.
And I'm Jane. We have problem number 8. A rectangle is inscribed in a semicircle of a radius of 2. Let P equal xy be the point in quadrant 1 that is a vertex and is on the circle. Part A was to express the area as a function of x, and part B was to express the perimeter as a function of x. When we're expressing the area, we have two x's down here, and that we plug that in to get the area because length times width, and this is our y, and y equals the square root of 4 minus x squared. So we have 2x and then times the square root of 4 minus x squared, and that's our length times our width. And then for the perimeter as a function of x, since we have 4 x's, then we're going to do 4x plus, because you're adding because it's perimeter, plus the 2 y's. So you multiply 2 times the value that you have for y, and this is what you end up getting as your answer for the function of the area and the function of the perimeter.
And then for part C and D of this problem, we were asked for what x value is area the largest and what x value is perimeter the largest. So what you had to do on this problem was you had to use your graphing calculator and graph these functions. And when you did, you ended up with graphs that looked like this and this. This for area and this for perimeter. So you had to find the local max on each graph, which is around here and around here. And what you ended up getting was x equals 1.41 for area and x equals 1.79 for perimeter.
And you use the x values because they're asking for the x, not the y's. Thanks for watching.